Hello. For today's video, I will be doing something that I've never done before, and that is get some press-on nails. So I got inspired by my friend Tisha's video where she reviewed some press-on nails, and I'm not gonna be using the same one, but it just went in my brain. I was like, I kind of wanna do that, and I've never tried it before, so that's what I'm doing today. So for my nails, I'm gonna be using this Dashing Diva Magic Press-on Gel Manicure that we got in 2019, and it's expired already, but whatever, we're gonna try it out anyway. This just has been sitting at the back of some storage box because my mom and we don't really do our nails. Now we're gonna try it, you know, for the first time, for content. I'm kind of scared. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to type and do regular everyday stuff, but I think I'm gonna try keeping it for 24 hours or whenever it gets removed because it's expired, and I don't know what that means really. Okay, so let's do it now. Press on the fucking nails, bitch. Welcome to my very wobbly table and my window. Here are the nails. I'm scared. I don't even know which nails go where. We're gonna have to figure it out, y'all. Before application, use the provided alcohol prep pad. Ensure nails are clean and dry. Press nails firmly from bottom to top. Removal. Apply a few drops of nail polish remover. Use a manicure stick to lift the magic press nail gently, starting from the base of the cuticle. One time, 5 to 7 day wear only. Well, shit, because I thought I could just use it for a day and reuse it again, but I guess not. I don't even know if it's sticky because it's expired. I think it's the alcohol that's expired. What is that? Oh god, I'm so scared. Wait, let me pair them up. How do I know which nail goes where? I mean, I guess I'll start with like the pinky, which is the easiest to figure out. Okay, so for this manicure, I have like these striped. Can you focus? Is it possible? Is it possible? Is it possible? It is! Yeah, there it is! And then there are these as well. There are also like plain nails, but we separated that because I only needed 10. Let's go! Am I gonna be able to do this with like sounds and stuff? ASMR and shit? Oh my god, I'm fucking scared. I'm scared! I'm scared. Oh no, she's sticky. What? Is that it? Whoa. Oh no, I'm scared. Oh my god, what if I won't get to like do stuff because I have nails? What if I can't type? Well, that's the point of this video, isn't it? Okay, let's do the other one. Wait, I don't know. They're like the same size. What is the biggest nail? What's the second biggest nail? This looks way too big for all of them. They're literally the same. I don't know which finger goes where. Holy shit, please. I think I'll put the gem on the middle finger so that when I give someone the finger, it has like a sparkle, right? I've literally never had nails this long. I always cut it short. What am I doing for YouTube content? I'm gonna make myself suffer like this? Hello? What? What have I done? What have I done? Okay, now I have to do the fucking pointy boys. And it's gonna be hard to like grab stuff because of this, so fuck it. This feels like it's too big. It's too big. It doesn't have. I did it. How am I supposed to do stuff? What the hell? officially cannot use my fingers anymore. Hello? How do you people do this? How do you people do this with longer nails? You know, this isn't even that long, right? I have a mani now. I want to take it off already. Haha. They look kind of dumb. Like, they're like huge, you know? Like, am I supposed to file them or something? Alright. Now I'm gonna try to do like stuff that I normally do. Like day to day. So this is gonna turn into a vlog, except I have fake nails on and I don't know how to use them. Let's do stuff now. It's been like 1 minute since I did this and I just wanted to message my boyfriend and I couldn't type. What a pain in the ass! I type pretty fast, but I use like the tip of my finger. Now I can't do that. Now I have to like use my finger and I don't think I can last, bitch. Yeah, right now I think I'm gonna play some Animal Crossing. Do 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 do. My Switch so cute. I thought the sounds it makes are gonna be more satisfying, but it's just like normal nails, you know. As I expected, I don't like typing with it. It makes me feel like a dumb bitch. I don't type that slow. I filmed an island tour back in November before I redid everything. I'm still in the midst of editing it. I kind of dropped it. I thought I didn't want to upload it anymore because it was kind of boring and I was missing a lot of clips. Shut up, Isabel. Okay, now you can see all of my struggles. It's so hard to press B. I don't know how people like work with these dumb nails, but do you use your nails to press on stuff? Mini island tour, I guess. So here's my house and here are my rocks that I can't move. So now it's like awkwardly on the edge of the cliff. It's fine though. Here's a man-made bridge and then like all of the trees at the side. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I like it. And then to the right, I have my villager homes, but I think we'll go there later. Over this bridge, I have this other house, which is supposed to be like Tom Nook and everyone else's share house. It's pretty cute inside. Nothing else here. Then here, it's not decorated, but this is supposed to be like European inspired stuff. Yeah, that's what I was going for. Here's my Able sisters, and then here's my Nook's cranny. Back here, I have this viewing area where you can see all of my flowers. Pretty. And then I have my campsite over there. Okay, that's it. We won't go back there because it's literally just the flowers on the campsite right now. Oh, a balloon. Let's see how I will do this. Fuck! I keep missing the button. Okay, there. Here's my plaza, and I just have like this extension here with stuff. On the left, I just have all of my DIYs and all of my flowers. Down here too, I have all my flowers. Okay. And then nothing much. It's not very decorated because I didn't restart the island, but I removed all of the cliffs and decorations in November or December, so I haven't really got around to decorating much. Here's Midge, here's my little museum. There's really nothing on the beaches except a shit ton of white flowers. But here's my villager area. I just put them all in this little square because my very first island, I had them far apart, but in like straight lines and squares and whatever, but they were so far apart and I was just going back and forth in straight lines and it was kind of boring. So then I tried placing the villagers in more natural locations and like completely separate, but I just got lazy running around so far away, like from one end of the island to the other. So this time I put them in this little villager area they're closer to each other and I can find them easily, and everyone's exercising in front of their house all the time. It's so fucking cute. Here's my little pumpkin patch because I give them pumpkins every single day. They must be overflowing with pumpkins by this point. And this is where my house is. Nothing much. I think my house is pretty nicely decorated. I can't press the button. Oh god, that's not what I meant to press either. My house. Cute. I have music playing on in every room, I think. But I just love my house. It's been decorated like this since, you know, I started, and I just decorated them one by one. Except maybe the kitchen. I think I've changed the kitchen a bit. But this is my favorite room. This is inspired by, I think, something I saw on Twitter. But it's so cute, and I'm planning on hanging all of my villager portraits up here. But it's so cute, and I even have this little swing. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, I'm gonna stop fangirling about my creations. Okay, here's my kitchen. I love the music playing in this. There we go. So cute. I wanted a more like brown themed kitchen, but I only had black furniture, so I had to make do. I did a combination of like green, brown, whites, and blacks. I think it turned out pretty nicely. Over here is my bathroom. Again, it's kind of inspired by something I saw. Like, I think I'm very inspired by a lot of themes from like what I see on Twitter and Pinterest. But then for the layout, I try to do them myself. But yeah, this is more like bamboo, Japanese inspired. Though I don't really go in here except to change my appearance. Have I done my basement? I don't think I've done my basement. But let's go there anyway. Oh, it's kind of done. So here's my basement. So I have like my boyfriend's character living in the other house, supposedly, but in canon, in my island, he's living with me, so I made him like a gym. It's not very decorated because it's a gym. I don't really know what to put on it. And then here I have like my creative space. So cute. I have all these paintings. Ta-da. I love it. I love it. I wish I had that in real life, but I don't. Here's our bedroom. Pretty cute. I've got an Animal Crossing Switch here, which I don't have in real life, unfortunately, because I was too impatient and I didn't wait until they went back in stock because I really wanted to play Animal Crossing. So I just got this blue and red one. Anyway, here's the bed. Super cute. Very yellow. Everything's yellow. And then here we have our office space. Then I have a guitar, which is very reminiscent of my real life guitar that I bought because I watched K-On! And I never use it after grade school. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing now. That was something. Trying to press that tiny little button over there. I don't know what the fuck is this video. Like, I put on nails. I'm vlogging my life while having nails like this. And I also did an Animal Crossing Island tour, so it's all over the place. It's fine though. I'm gonna go on with my life now, and then I'll update you on what the fuck is different and stuff. Okay, so I'm back. I ate some lunch. I ate some wings with my hands, and I had to wash my hands a lot of times, and only 3 of them remain. I'm not gonna blame it on the brand. I don't think the nails are expired, but it's been in the packaging for years now. Look at my poor little nails. That's so sad. I fucked them up. I ate some wings with them. I wet them. And now I don't know what to do. Now they're dead. They're all dead. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait for these 3 to go away. But at least I can type properly now. I'll update you, I guess, when all of them are gone. Just realized I forgot to take a thumbnail, so I think I'm gonna put them back on. Even if they're not sticky, I just need to take some pictures. Looks so dumb. was gonna film this clip to tell you that I was able to put my nails back for my thumbnail, but yeah, I think I can just remove them by pulling them away very gently, like so. Yep. I'm free. I'm free of these dumb nails. Actually, they're not that dumb. They're pretty fun. I'm just like not used to it, and it's hard to eat wings. Maybe don't eat wings on your first day wearing the nails. Not a very good idea. I guess it's the end of the video. It was kind of a mess. I wanted to do more things. I wanted to draw with my finger on my tablet, but I didn't get to do that because the nails were gone before I got to do that. I also wanted to type on my laptop with these on. I think that would have been interesting just to see me struggle, but I didn't get to do that again. Yeah, thanks for watching. It's kind of been weird, kind of vlogish, but whatever. It was fun while it lasted. So that's it. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye again. Please like, subscribe too, bitch.